Hey, this will be a video chart on our good friend BBDA. Done this one probably 20 times now, it seems like, but very popular. And the interesting thing that I noticed about this one was usually on a red day like this, I'll get quite a few people that you can just tell they're a little worried and panicked. But this time, I mean, there were a couple, but I think people are finally understanding that, when BBDA has a red day, it doesn't mean the end of the world because it's had plenty of them, and they've all been, healthy for the chart. I mean, you look back here, that was, could have scared a lot of people. Then you had this pullback move there. Then you had a couple little miniature one there, and then you had this one. But I think people are getting or figuring this one out where just because this one pulls back, as long as support levels hold like they've been doing, then there's really nothing to panic about. So this video is going to be pretty short. Just want to point out a few things, and then hopefully everybody's continues to know what to look for going into next week. If I had to sum up this chart in one word, I'd probably call it resilient, and I would choose that word because even now when there's been pullbacks, it seems like they don't, or the bulls don't let the price pull back for too long. So what do I mean by that? Well, look at yesterday's action. Price dropped all the way down there, but then the bulls pretty much said, no, we're not going to let it close even closer down there, and it pushed it all the way back up. Same with today's action. Not quite as drastic, but the price at one point of the day was down there. Then the bull said, you know what, no, we want to close it back up there. Now, is that going to continue to be the case? I don't know. We could still see more of a pullback, which would be totally healthy for the chart. But right now, it just seems very resilient the past 2 days. The price, or the bulls just don't want the price to, close all the way down there. But the 10-day, this blue line is catching up to the price, so that's a good sign in terms of not having the price be so overextended. But when you look at the moving averages and see how they're all sloping upwards, all have nice space between them, that's exactly what you want to see for a healthy overall uptrend. So the chart is firing on all cylinders, and it's continues to look just fine. But with the amount of interest and questions I still got on it, wanted to at least keep it updated. Newest level of resistance is up here at 0.02, 2 cents, so that'll be the key level before the chart's essentially back in blue sky breakout. And in terms of supports, my ideal support level, meaning ideally, I'd like to see it hold 0.0144. But if the price doesn't hold above it and it does fall below, by no means does that mean the chart's done or anything like that, because you still do have plenty of supports below you, but this would be the ideal level to see hold. But then you have the 10-day here acting as support along with your other moving averages. All in all, though, a good looking chart. Nice healthy week, put in a new high, and we'll see where this newest low ends up being. Maybe it'll be right down here at 0.012, but next week should be pretty revealing in regards to that. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart and what your strategy is going into next week. If there are any other questions, like I said, shoot me a message. If not, this was BBDA. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.